my beautiful people. As you can see, today we are going to be doing an unboxing of Candy Koated Creations and MVP Nail Designs. And these two companies got together to do a collab box. The collab box is Winter Wonderland and is now available on both sites. And please go get it. You will not be disappointed. So everything that I'm going to be showing you in this box, the jars that I have, they are samples. So this is kind of like a sneak peek of what you will be getting in the box. And so this will also be a great gift for all the nail lovers out there. I mean, you would not be disappointed. And another announcement that I would like to make, I would like to announce that I am proud to say that I am a Candy Koated Creation brand ambassador. So I am a candy queen. Hey, whoop, 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 whoop. All right, so let me go ahead and continue to say what we are getting in these box. As you can see, look at all these beautiful things that come in this box. And that spoon is only for brand ambassadors. I love this spoon. I mean, I can mix things. I can put like some acrylic in little jars if I want to transport them into other jars, so I won't, spill any acrylic. And here is Candy Koated Creations card. This is the front. In the back, I am showing you her social media and her email. And everything will be linked in the box down below, so no worries. And look at these beautiful Fimos. These are Christmas Fimos. Look at the little Santa Claus, and you get like the little snowflakes and Christmas trees. Great for encapsulation. And also, this is from MVP, and these are nail charms. Look at those. These are so pretty. Look at that. They just glistering, girl, just glistering. These will look so beautiful on nails.
Takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I'm stressed.
And this is Candy Koated Creation. This is their blue and iridescent glitter. It's raw glitter. Look at that. That is so pretty.
Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you.
And this is also Candy Koated Creations orange iridescent glitter, and it's also raw.
And I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way.
And this right here, this glows in the dark. You can put it in some you can mix it in with some clear powder. You can mix it in with some white powder. You can do wonders with this. And it also, like I said, it also glows in the dark.
Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start with MVP Nail Designs acrylics, and everything will be, like, the name of the acrylics will be listed on the screen, so that way, because I know I wrote on them, like I said, these are samples of what sneak peek of what you get in the box.
Time, we got older, babe, yeah.
The name of the glitters will be listed on the screen.
And don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change.
I just wanted to say, look how gorgeous these glitters are. MVP, wow. This is my first time using MVP glitter, and I will have to, these are really, really gorgeous. I'm not too good with chunky glitter yet, so I mean, I'm just going to keep it real. I'm just going to just put it out there. I'm not good with chunky glitter, but I will be practicing with these chunky glitter because they are beautiful. Look at this. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. And yeah. Look at that. Oh, I love the color. Alright, so we are going to Candy Koated Creations glitters. And this one is Candy Cane. Look at this. Oh my god, look how beautiful that is. And I will be swatching some of the acrylics. I couldn't do all the acrylics, but I did like a few from Candy Koated, and I also did a few from MVP Nails. And because my phone kept getting hot and I'm recording off of my phone, so my phone kept overheating. So yeah, I did the best that I could. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. But like I said, these are the acrylics from Candy Koated. And also, I did forget to show the top coat. You will be getting a sample size top coat in the box, and you also will get some kawaii charms in the box as well. This Ice Queen is so beautiful. My brand sister, Miss Galore, she did her nails on this. You know, go check her out. Go check her YouTube out. I will leave her links at the bottom as well. But she did a very beautiful set using Ice Queen, and it glows in the dark as well. Alright, so we're swatching now, and the first one that we are swatching is Ice Queen. Look how beautiful this is. But if you notice, I am doing the swatches on the outside of the nails, but then I switch and did them on the inside of the nails. And my view on these acrylics, perfect. I love them. They're like butter. They're so easy to use. They're very good for beginners. Mvpnaildesigns, her acrylics is awesome. Both Candy Koated and MVP, their acrylics is very good, and it's very, very good for beginners. But I will leave all the links down below. Like I said, I will leave the links. I will leave their social media links as well, so you can go follow them. And I will leave the links of the website down below as well. But please don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go over to Miss Galore's and check out her channel. She is very informative with her. She is my brand sister. And I will leave her link down below as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you to my day ones for coming back to watch my videos. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys on my next video. Until then, toodles.
Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left take it all. I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' let me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the color where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Som dig baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan. Varför du med annan? Kom var med mig baby. Aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan jag vill ha min chokarina. Låsa och säg ingen sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride with you. 100 gubbar klart jag die for you. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Du är mitt liv baby. Visa mig vart det finns. Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet inte om ni kör det. Skön social smak good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vart du finns, yeah.